Cyril has resorted to using state power to purge those who don't agree with him in his party. And he's coming for those who don't agree with him outside his party. But he must come for us who are ready for him. There is an Indian cabal that is going on here. And it has co-opted some colours. They take all strategic positions. They did that in the financial sector. Go to every insurance company or any financial institution. It's headed by Indian. If it is a serious compromise, it's a coloured. All Africans have been destroyed. Look at who's going to replace that African person who was removed from ABSA. If you think I'm sick. Khanyago is not leading the Reserve Bank. It's led by Kuben. It's led by Kuben. We know who's leading SARS. They've taken all strategic institutions. Because white monopoly capital can't go directly. It works hand in hand like it did in the 80s. It works with an Indian cabal led by Pravin Gordhan to deploy Indians in strategic positions, including magistrate. When the case is of an EFF leader, because we can't deploy straight a white magistrate or something, they put a colored magistrate or an Indian magistrate. Go and check all of those cases. They put an Indian prosecutor or a colored prosecutor. Go and check all of those cases. There is an Indian agenda in this country that seeks to undermine Africans. And that agenda is led by Pravin, and it has been like that for years. O.R. Tambo commented about it even at some point. That's what these people are scared of, because that cabal, if you tamper with it, you'll become a hobo in this country. You tamper with Pravin, you'll become a hobo in this country.